Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Earth Studio export so After Effects imports cleanly. Open your Earth Studio project, finalize camera moves, and set render to After Effects output. This preserves camera data. Choose resolution and frame rate. 4K at 30 FPS is common, so you retain detail for post-work. Once done, export the AE project and download imagery sequences plus any CSV camera metadata. Make sure to organize these files in a single folder. It speeds import and prevents path errors. Now import everything into After Effects and reconnect assets so your scene rebuilds correctly. You should import the EEP folder, footage sequences, and the CSV used for camera metadata. If links break, use file dependencies to relink. Match camera comp names exactly. Once relinked, convert flattened imagery into proper sequences and confirm color profiles so saturation and exposure match your expectations. As you go, tidy compositions and nest camera comps for easier control and fewer accidental edits. Finish the shot by refining visuals and rendering with reliable settings. Add color grading, motion blur, and any stabilization. Use proxies to keep playback responsive, then replace with full res for final render. Choose media encoder with 2-pass or VBR for good file size to quality balance. If things go wrong, first relink the CSV and ensure camera comp transforms weren't altered, then purge the disk cache and reopen the project. These steps often resolve jitter or missing layers. Finally, export a short test clip to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.